Are you ready to elevate your baking game with the best stand mixers of 2025? Whether you're whipping up delicate meringues, kneading bread dough, or crafting the perfect cake batter, finding the right stand mixer can be a game changer. From iconic names like KitchenAid and Cuisinart to budget-friendly picks like Hamilton Beach and Dash, we've tested them all to bring you the ultimate list. Plus, we'll reveal the top choices for baking, bread making, and small kitchens. Stick around, and don't forget to check the description for product links. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all our best kitchen gear reviews. Your dream mixer is just a click away. The Aucma stand mixer is a versatile and powerful addition to any kitchen, earning its place as one of the best stand mixers of 2025. Powered by a 660W motor, this mixer can handle everything from light batters to heavy bread dough with ease. Its 6-speed control provides flexibility, allowing users to mix, knead, or whip ingredients to perfection. The pulse function is a great touch for achieving precise results. With a large 6.5-quart stainless steel bowl, this mixer is perfect for big batches, whether you're baking for a family gathering or meal prepping. The 3 included attachments, a dough hook, wire whip, and flat beater, cover all your basic mixing needs. The tilt head design ensures quick access to the bowl and attachments, while the sturdy anti-slip suction cups keep the mixer stable even during high-speed operations. One of the standout features of this mixer is its quiet operation, which is a pleasant surprise given its powerful motor. The sleek black finish not only looks modern but is also easy to clean, making it a stylish and functional addition to your countertop. For those looking for a high-capacity, budget-friendly stand mixer, the Aucma checks all the boxes. Its performance and durability rival more expensive brands, making it one of the best affordable stand mixers of 2025. Whether you're a beginner baker or a seasoned pro, this mixer offers excellent value for its price. The KitchenAid Artisan series mixer remains a beloved classic and a top contender for the best stand mixers of 2025. Known for its durability and style, this mixer is powered by a 325W motor and features a 5-quart stainless steel bowl with a comfortable handle, perfect for small to medium baking tasks. One of the defining features of the Artisan series is its 10-speed control, which ensures precision for a variety of tasks, whether you're gently folding ingredients or whipping egg whites to stiff peaks. Its tilt-head design allows easy access to the bowl, making it simple to add ingredients or switch attachments. Included are a flat beater, dough hook, and wire whip, covering all your basic mixing needs. The mixer is compatible with over 10 optional attachments, including pasta makers, meat grinders, and spiralizers, making it one of the most versatile stand mixers on the market. The Milkshake color adds a playful yet sophisticated touch to your kitchen, while the all-metal construction ensures longevity. Although it's on the pricier side, the KitchenAid Artisan series justifies its cost with exceptional performance, iconic design, and compatibility with various accessories. It's perfect for both beginner and experienced bakers looking for a reliable and stylish stand mixer. If you're serious about baking or want an all-in-one kitchen tool, this is one of the best choices for 2025. If you're searching for a compact and affordable option, the kitchen-in-the-box stand mixer is a standout choice in the best stand mixers of 2025. With its lightweight design and vibrant blue color, it's perfect for smaller kitchens or beginners looking to simplify their baking tasks. This mixer features a 3.2-quart stainless steel bowl, ideal for small batches of cookies, cakes, or whipped cream. Despite its size, the mixer offers 6 adjustable speeds to handle a range of tasks, from mixing batters to kneading dough. Included attachments, a dough hook, whisk, and flat beater, make it versatile enough for everyday baking needs. What sets this mixer apart is its portability. Its compact design makes it easy to store or transport, perfect for anyone with limited kitchen space or those who bake occasionally. The mixer is also user-friendly, with a straightforward control dial and a stable base that minimizes vibration during use. While it may not have the power or capacity of larger stand mixers, the kitchen-in-the-box is a great option for casual bakers or those on a budget. It's particularly suitable for beginners or individuals who bake in smaller quantities. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, no-frills mixer that gets the job done, this is a fantastic choice for 2025.